On today's Tim Collins Own Your Home video, we're going to discuss why homeowners insurance companies encourage homeowners to carry coverage relative to the rebuild cost of the property, and how co-insurance adjustments can impact a claim when property is underinsured. Here's our example for today. We have a home value of $100,000 and a land value of $40,000. To calculate that replacement cost or rebuild cost, we need to subtract these two, which gives us a $60,000 rebuild cost. The minimum required insurance coverage is typically 80% of that replacement cost. If we take 60,000 and multiply it by 80%, we get $48,000 minimum coverage. We're going to walk through two scenarios. Scenario A, the property is properly insured. Scenario B, we're using the co-insurance adjustment on a property underinsured. We look at scenario A, we have $50,000 of coverage carried. Then we have fire damage to the roof, which is $30,000. What is the result? The result is full coverage because we have $50,000 of coverage carried, which is equal or greater than the minimum coverage required. Scenario B is our co-insurance adjustment. We have coverage carried, $42,000. Coverage required is $48,000. We have fire damage to the roof, which is $30,000. How do we calculate the payout? We need to take the insurance carried, which is $42,000, and the insurance required, which is $48,000. We'll divide those two, $42,000 over $48,000, and we multiply that by our fire damage loss, which is $30,000 in this scenario. We get 0.875. We have 0.875 multiplied by 30,000, which is our fire damage. If we multiply 0.875 and 30,000, we get $26,250, which is the amount your insurance will cover. Now, you'll need to pay the difference between the fire damage and what the insurance company will pay out to you. We'll just write over here. If you subtract 30,000 and 26,250, you get a difference of $3,750. This number of $3,750 represents how much money you would owe the insurance company.